So hello guys, and today it's just about this thing called Cinema 4D R12. I'm giving the download file in the description. It's an RAR, which is 252 megabytes. So um, when you get that RAR, I have it here. It's called this thing. You need to right click, extract here, or extract it wherever you want. And if you extract that, since I've already extracted it, I'm just skipping that part. After you have extracted it, um, you would get something like this. Um, you would get this. Okay, forget this. This is like unnecessary. You would get this Cinema 4D R12 and pictures, which I have done here. And the Cinema 4D R12, you need to open this. It's okay whether you have a 32-bit or 64-bit because this works for both. So you just need to double click it, and the serial keys are given down in the description. So in that serial code box, you just need to just type the serial code. And actually, I just want to show you because in this you don't need to go to the description. If you just open this, whatever, and you you would see something like this, and this readme.txt, okay, whatever that, readme.txt, and you just extracted it. You just extract it to wherever you need it. Um, I guess that's enough for me. Oh wait, I'll just go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just basically gonna go and drop it in this right down. Oh, sorry, here. I'm gonna drop it here. Okay. So I guess it's extracted, so I'm just gonna close this, and I'm gonna go drop down to 740. And here's this readme.txt. Okay, once you open this, you get this steps for opening C4D R12. First, you need to open that exe as I showed. The serial key is given here. Don't copy the brackets and the serial code and the colon. So just type the serial key and you have that Cinema 44. So this is R12, and thanks for watching, guys. See you a good day.